Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well. You're watching my YouTube channel BCP Synergy. This is part B for lecture number 3. In today's lecture, we will study about light microscope. In the last lecture, we took an introduction about microscopy, microscope, its importance, then the important terms about microscope and the types of microscope. So this was the last slide. We have looked about the microscope and its types. In today's lecture, we will consider light microscope. So what is light microscope? It is a type of microscope that uses visible light to observe objects that are not visible to the naked eye. So as the name of light microscope indicates that there is a use of light in this microscope. So we use the visible light to observe those objects that are not visible to the naked eye, or those objects which cannot be seen directly through the eye. On the basis of structure, light microscope is classified into the simple microscope and compound microscope. Why is a light microscope simple? Because of the reason that when there is only one lens in light microscope, it is called simple light microscope. While when there are more than one lenses used in a light microscope, then it is said to be compound microscope. Simplest example of compound light microscope is a microscope that is placed in your biology lab in schools. What are the components of light microscope? The light microscope has the most important components due to which we are able to observe the objects or structures under it. Number one is the base of light microscope. Number two is the arm of light microscope, from where we can hold the microscope. Number three is the microscope head, above and below which the lenses are present. Then there is a light source from where the light is refracted towards the specimen or the structure that has to be observed. There is an eyepiece or ocular lens placed above the microscope head, and below microscope head is the objective lens or objective lenses. Objective lenses can be shuffled with the help of revolving nose piece stage on which the specimen is placed, and this specimen is held with the help of stage clips. There is a diaphragm and condenser below the stage. This is a clear image of diaphragm and condenser. This black circular object is diaphragm. Adjustable space inside the diaphragm is condenser, which is used to condense the light rays and focus them on the specimen. There are two adjustable knobs, that are the coarse adjustable knobs and the fine adjustable knobs. What is the working principle of light microscope? It uses visible light and optical lenses to magnify the small objects. On this principle, the light microscope works, that there should be optical lenses and there should be visible light in order to magnify the small object or the structures or specimen that have to be observed through this type of microscope. Now light follows a certain path in order to form in large clear image of object which is observed under it. What is that path? Light emits from a light source, pass through condenser, which condenses those light rays and focus them on the specimen. Hence, following the specimen, light enters the objective lens just placed above the specimen, and from objective lens it approaches the eyepiece through tube. The images that are formed at objective lens and eyepiece are different. At objective lens, the first image of the specimen is formed, which is a real and inverted image, while at eyepiece the image that is formed is virtual and inverted. Now how can we elaborate the working of light microscope? Firstly, as a light microscope uses visible light to illuminate a small object that is called specimen, this light source sends light upward into the condenser, which is narrowed and focused onto the specimen. And the specimen that is placed on a glass slide on the stage, it allows light to pass through it. And passing through specimen, this light enters the objective lens that is positioned just above the specimen, and it magnifies the image for the first time and forms the first image inside the microscope. Then that magnified image travels upward through the body of microscope to the eyepiece, where it is magnified again. Finally, an image is formed in the human eye. Light microscope has its own limitation of magnification and resolution. The light microscope is capable of magnifying a specimen or the object that is observed under it between 40x and 1000x, while the limit of resolution of light microscope is 200 nanometers. What are the applications of light microscope? Light microscope is used to observe cells, bacteria, tissues, and it is used in biology, medicines, and material science. This is it for today. I hope you understand this lecture. In the next video, we will learn about electron microscope. Thank you.